Hello everyone, just received the crock pot I ordered. This is the box it came in. It's an 8-quart crock pot. I'm curious to see how big it is compared to my other one. But let's go ahead and open it up, check it out, and see how it works. Okay, so I went ahead and took it out of the box, but I also went ahead and laid my old crock pot next to it just to show you this is an 8-quart and this is a 6-quart. So I could definitely see the difference. This one's going to hold a whole lot more than that one. I love Crock-Pot, so I definitely wanted another one, and I wanted a bigger one. So I went ahead and chose this because it definitely has more features than my older one. Let's look at that. Okay, so here's the Crock-Pot plugged in. Just wanted to show you some features. The power button's here on the bottom. You just push that to turn on, and then select to push low or high, and then the time right here to go up. And those are increments of 30 minutes, and it can go up to 20 hours. Just one more thing I love about crock pots. You're able to just put a dinner in and wait for it to be done. Other thing I like about this crock pot, it really matches my decor compared to the red one. I really hope this information was helpful, and I hope you'll have a great day.